We're a company looking to change the face of Africa and the face of South Africa in order to bring new, alternative, better solutions to the landscape of our country to change and transform decent and better structures. A product that we manufacture in our factory is called a structural insulated panel. It is a panel which has a polyurethane core used for insulation throughout all the structures that we build. Our external skins vary between an array of different products, being very structural, so they're not just a walling system, it's a structural walling system that can hold up to 4 floors of concrete above it. Within those systems, we'll end up doing walling and roofing. We've started rolling our own steel for a truss system, and at the same time we do a concrete pour within a steel structure system, so we can alleviate it depending on the construction and the structures that we build, so that we will change and transform the systems we vary for the structures to make them better and perfect for the client and for the face and the places that we are building. When it comes to the sale of our products have a great unique selling point which differs us from many other products out there. One of the first ones obviously is cost, which most people are always keen in. We're far cheaper and better than conventional building structures. At the same time, our most unique selling point is that we can literally change the landscape of labor out there. We go into places where we build and we literally can use local labor and local people themselves, changing the landscape of where we're building, not just the checkbook or the people paying for it. So we're cheaper from a labor point of view, cheaper from a product point of view, and obviously the best part of it is we're a green product, and therefore your living costs going forward will always be far cheaper, up to 70% cheaper on cooling and heating bill, and obviously cheaper from the point of view of a perfect building, right-hand corners, perfect straight walls. You never ever have a non-perfect structure. Having started this business just on 4 years ago, we thought we'd hit the ground running and change and transform the landscape very quickly. The truth is it's been a very long journey for us. We are at a point now we have understood the entire market in South Africa and Africa. We've put down the perfect foundations and we're coming out of ground now within schools, within clinics and within houses. We are starting to close some very big contracts out there. It's been a long journey, but the excitement is about to begin. The greatest change has definitely been one of mindset and mindset change. At the same time, obviously, the challenge like any business are the challenges of dealing with individuals. A building is not something which is done overnight and done in a day like buying a straw or buying a cup. So it's been a true challenge is staying in the length and fighting the fight and getting through the difficult times for the good times that are about to come. The market to date in South Africa has been a very slow market. We are expecting going forward now, and we have seen it in a reality, that the market is beginning to explode. We have seen schools, clinics, tenders in general coming out generally in ABTs, alternative building technologies. We have seen the consumer getting much more excited about the necessity of ABTs and panel-styled building. So we see an exceptionally exciting road ahead, a road of growth, a road of absolute challenges, but excitement in every way, because this market is a market that's about to explode. My first target, no question, is make a difference in the footprint in Africa as a human being. I've always wanted to be able to change the face and the systems within Africa of living, giving every person the ability to have a proper school, a proper clinic, and a proper structure of comfort to live in. We want to become the biggest manufacturer throughout the entire African continent, and obviously within time, the entire world. Our relationship with Sasol Chem City started a number of years ago, approximately 2 to 3 years ago. It's a relationship that has only gone from strength to strength. They've been on our side helping us and assisting us, trying to reach the goals that we want to reach.